Life gets busy. Cleaning can fall to the bottom of the to-do list, but then you look around and you're like, oh, I can't stand it, it's messy.
Luckily, Southern Living has a few tips you can follow to keep your home in tip-top shape without hurting your schedule.
I want to see this.
Life is overwhelming, schedules get crazy, and a lot of times cleaning your house is the thing that falls all the way to the bottom of the to-do list. So we've got 6 ways to just simplify that and make life easier for you. First up, automate things when you can. A robot vacuum cleaner is your best friend. You set it on your phone to a schedule, it does the work for you, and they now even come in pet-friendly models that won't scare off your 4-legged friend at home. Number 2, this sounds super common sense, but leave your shoes at the door. There's so much dust and grime and dirt that's tracked into your house, and while cleaning your home is inevitable, you can put off that next big clean by leaving a lot of that dirt and grime at the door with your shoes. Number 3, make your dishwasher work harder. It's not just for dishes and pots and pans. Think about hairbrushes, pet bowls, plastic toys. Even some of your shoes actually are dishwasher friendly. So make sure to check with the manufacturer before you pop your favorite pumps in there. But the dishwasher can help you in more ways than just cleaning up that kitchen mess. Number 4, it's tempting to think, oh my gosh, I've got absolutely no time. Cleaning is this huge, all-consuming thing. But really, all you need is 15 minutes. Set a timer for 15 focused minutes of working on a task. Choose that task, set the timer, get it done, check it off your list. Rule number 5, clean up as you go. It's tempting to put everything off until one day that you're going to do all of these Herculean tasks, but you don't have to do that. So next time you take a shower, when you get out while the walls are still wet, bring that vinegar into the bathroom and go ahead and scrub those tiles in that tub and knock that off your to-do list too. And finally, your parents always told you to have a place for everything, and it turns out, as always, they were right. So find an organizational system that works for you, whether it's a homework bin for the kids, or a chest for toys, or a place for each of your favorite pair of shoes. Make a system that works for you and stick to it, and you'll save yourself so much time and energy in the long run.
That is the key. You got to clean as you go.
Yeah, but I clean as I go when I cook, and that's why I don't enjoy cooking, because I'm cleaning every other pot.
Well, that's why I like the one-pot meals.
All right, you can find more of these cleaning tips at southernliving.com.
Southern Living is owned by our parent company, the Meredith Corporation.